So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Airbnb reservation. So first of all, once you go to airbnb.com, you will see Airbnb's logo, then homes and experiences. You can see your account here if you logged in with your email and password. After that, cabins, icons, and many more filters you can filter through. Underneath, you can see some offers for staying a night at a certain location. But if you wish to, let's say, reserve something, you can see here for 5 nights and you can click on reserve. So it says you won't be charged yet. After you clicked on reserve, your reservation won't longer be on this screen. It's gonna pop up back to the home screen. You can go to this once you're logged in. Click on this, you will see messages, trips, wish list, and so on. Just click on trips. From the trips, you can see I haven't booked yet since I'm just showing this account to explain to you guys. Through here, you can see the steps laid out. So go to trips, select the reservation. Your reservation will be popped up on here. It'll also come with a picture of the place you reserved so you can't miss it. From reservation details, tap the button cancel reservation. Now that's quite important. Once you click on that, you will need to choose a reason for canceling, or you can just type out a reason if you want to explain your situation. After that, you can tap cancel reservation. Once that's all done, your reservation will no longer be reserved, so you can look at some other places. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Airbnb or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.